your eyewitness weather forecast.
Well, we started off a little foggy today, clouded in this morning, but you can see on the time lapse we gave way to beautiful blue sky there in the afternoon. And if we just take a look at the afternoon hours today, pay attention here to the color of the sky. You're going to see the sky changing from a blue to a lighter, kind of hazy white throughout the afternoon today. And that's because we do have the return of wildfire smoke from fires out west to the area. The concentration of smoke considered light over our neck of the woods right now, not enough to be impacting air quality. But if we roll the smoke forecast forward to tomorrow, you'll see that we are expecting higher concentrations of smoke, especially out in the western part of the state. This could have an impact on our air quality, albeit pretty low for tomorrow. Also floating around in the air will be the pollen. The ragweed is very high today, staying that way for Wednesday and into Thursday as well. Now, temperatures tonight going to be pretty mild for us. They'll get down to the upper 50s in the North Country's low 60s for the rest of us. So a little bit cooler than it was last night, about 5 to 10 degrees cooler there. But tomorrow in the afternoon, we are going to be hotter than today, much more humid as well. And that is going to put temperatures around the 90-degree mark in most places in the Adirondacks, mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. But factored in with the humidity, that's going to put that feels like or heat index temperature at about 95 to 100 degrees. So we do have a heat advisory in effect for Oneida County for tomorrow. That goes from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. And on heat advisory days, just be sure to limit your exertion outdoors. Stick inside in the AC if you can. If not, stay hydrated, take frequent breaks, and seek shade. Now, you'll see here on the Futurecast as we roll it forward tonight, not a cloud in the sky, very, very quiet and dry. Nice break from the rain. Tomorrow, we've got plenty of sunshine heating us up into those low 90s. Beautiful here and quiet in the afternoon, and just a very small chance for a stray shower here tomorrow evening. The whole day, though, trending much drier. And as we get into Thursday, we'll see some good sunshine there as well. Looks like another hot and humid day. And just like Wednesday, very small chance for an isolated shower, but most of the time ends up dry. Now, tomorrow's heat index, or UV index rather, not the heat index, will be about an 8. That's considered very high, and sunburns will be possible in as little as 15 minutes. So tonight we'll have clear skies all night long. We may see a little bit of patchy fog forming, just like we saw last night. That'll burn off in the morning, though. We'll be up to 90 in the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine. That humidity will be with us, and that's not changing later in the week. Now, Thursday, we have a cold front coming through, but it's coming through later now. That means temperatures will get hotter Thursday. We're now looking at 90 degrees there in the afternoon, still with that humidity, but behind that weak cold front, a little bit cooler, back to normal for Friday and the weekend. Highs will be in the low 80s there. Thursday is trending drier, by the way, as well. So really quiet here. It looks like for the remainder of the week, we do have shower chances back in for the weekend, a little here and there on Saturday and Sunday. Then another strong cold front early next week. It looks like it'll drop us into the 70s after Tuesday.
Well, I guess I'm looking forward to next Tuesday.
Okay, something on the horizon at least.
A ways out.
Not a fan of the heat this one.
Yeah, and the humidity. It's the humidity that gets me every time.
I don't blame you. Today, not bad, but tomorrow, yeah, a little sticky.
Yeah, when I saw that heat advisory come out, I was like, here we go again.
It's going to be a steamy one.
Thanks for the news, Colleen. And News Nation is coming later.
This is Eyewitness News, first at 10.
As summer comes to an end, colleges around the area are welcoming their students back to campus. Our Eyewitness News reporter Lauren Brill has more.
It's move-in day here at Utica College.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
Started with some fog today, clouds in the morning, but the sky opened up for a beautiful sunny afternoon. You can see a really nice sunset here at the end of the loop, and we did notice a little bit of kind of a hazy look to the sky towards the end of the day. We actually had that wildfire smoke back in the region today. It's a light concentration over the sky, over the state of New York right now. Not enough to affect air quality, but if you look at the smoke forecast, we are going to be seeing that thickening up tomorrow. You may notice that look to the sun as it's going down tomorrow because of this smoke, and it's going to be even thicker for us later in the week when this moves in. So you will be noticing kind of that hazy, milky look to an otherwise blue sky, and it may affect air quality for us as well starting tomorrow. Not significantly, but just a little bit for those sensitive groups. Now, we're pretty mild out there right now, 68 degrees, not bad. A little bit of a breeze, only 3 miles an hour, but we'll take it. And temperatures tonight actually going to be the coolest night of the week for us. 62 in Utica for a low, 61 in Cooperstown, 59 59 in Old Forge tonight. Tomorrow, though, the heat is on. Warmer than today and much more humid. We'll get into the mid-80s in the Adirondacks, but around 90 degrees for most other places for the high tomorrow afternoon. And we have the humidity that you'll have to factor in as well. That's going to put those heat index values about 95 to 99 degrees. So we do have a heat advisory in effect for Oneida County for tomorrow. That goes from 11 to 7 p.m. When we have a heat advisory, just take it easy. Stay in the AC if you can. If you can't, take frequent breaks, hydrate, seek shade, all of that. Now, you'll see on the Futurecast tonight, nothing. That means we're nice and quiet, nice and dry. The water continues to recede for us tomorrow at a lot of our lakes and streams. 3 in the afternoon, we've got full sunshine, very, very small chance of a stray shower tomorrow. And it's going to be a similar day here on Thursday, maybe a little bit more clouds in on Thursday than Wednesday. We have a pop-up shower or two, but most of the time will be sunny and dry. Really quiet here for us through the end of the week, actually. So a little bit of fog possible for us again late tonight, early tomorrow morning. We'll get down to the low 60s. Temperatures are going to climb rapidly tomorrow morning. We're looking at 90 in the afternoon. Feels like 95 to 99, maybe even 100 in some places. And we've got another warm day Thursday. Thursday's trending a lot drier now. The cold front coming in a little bit later, so that's going to allow us to warm up into those low 90s again. Behind that cold front, though, a little bit cooler for Friday and the weekend. Not bad. Pretty normal for August. Low 80s for Friday and the weekend. We are still looking at some showers and storms from Saturday right on through Monday of next week. And Rachel, I know it's pumpkin spice season. It's all starting to come out, but Mother Nature didn't really get the memo. We're still going to be dealing with the summer, maybe the iced pumpkin latte for the next few days.
It is still August after all, I guess. We did have it coming.
Folks are getting antsy for that fall weather, and I totally get it, but some more heat for us this week.
Yeah, unfortunately. Thanks a lot, Colleen. And coming up, Sports Director David Edelstein tells us what Whitesboro football says is the biggest question